Alright, welcome to Unit 9, Lesson 1. The next few weeks we're going to spend time on making all of the things we kind of learned this year all in one. We're going to add them together. So to start this lesson, we're going to start here with Lesson 1, which is planning a recipe. So what I want you to do today is I want you to spend a good 40 minutes watching these videos and trying to do this lesson on your own. If you cannot figure this out, or you just have a question, in the morning you can stop by and ask Cusick during his office hours by simply just emailing him in Gmail. And if you don't know how to email somebody, open your Gmail. If you just start typing in Cusick, he'll come right up. Now, if you are still really stuck, you can visit me during my office hours today, which will be from 1 to 2 on Thursdays and Fridays every week from now on. So here we go. Let's plan a recipe. So a recipe, we're going to make a recipe for our restaurant. Cool, we get to make a restaurant. That sounds kind of fun. So imagine you could open a restaurant. Select a recipe for a main dish you would like to serve at your restaurant. So we're going to use this link right here. So if I click this link, I simply put my cursor over and push. It says main dish recipes. So I'm going to click that and it's going to open a new tab for me. And here I am in this main dish recipes right here. And now you can simply just scroll down here and pick one. You could type in your favorite recipe right here. And truly, it doesn't matter what recipe you choose. I just ask that you only spend about 5 minutes doing so. And this pop-up's going to pop up for you. Just go ahead and push no thanks. Okay? To only spend 5 minutes finding a recipe, guys. You don't want to spend too much time. So, because I'm not picky, I'm going to go ahead and pick mine really quick. And I'm going to go with, let's see, what looks good to me. Bam. I'm doing chicken pot pie. Done. Okay, once you pick out your recipe, come back to this page and we'll continue.